What's up guys, welcome to the video. So what are the 5 steps to get paid to make stuff you love, about stuff you love in a place that you want to be at. For example, if you want to work from home, if you want to work in your cave, if you want to work outside, if you want to work at a coffee shop or at the beach or whatever the fuck you want to work, as long as you have an internet connection though, it's really important to make that shit happen, right? But wherever you want, whenever you want it, if you want to work at night, you can. And with whomever you want to do that with, all right? So basically freedom. You still have to work, guys. I'm not gonna be like, yeah, you just do this and it's like you're rich and you can just chill out. You're gonna have to work to do that stuff, but it works and it will give you freedom. Once you're free, you can go travel, do whatever the fuck you want. Me personally, I just enjoy watching TV and Netflix all day. That's just me, right? Sometimes I travel, but whatever. I'm gonna shut the fuck up. We're gonna get into the video now. So first step, what is the first step? Well, first step is, since you probably suck at advertising, well, everybody suck at advertising to be honest. Big companies suck at advertising. There's only like the medium to small companies that have enough budget to pay for ads that are quite decent with it. But if you're starting out, if you've never made money online, don't think about ads. Think about how you can make money without investing money. So that's first step, right? If you want to make money, you need people to give you money. That's first step, right? You need people to give you the money. So you need first to know a lot of people. How do you do that? It's simple. You create content. Well, shit, this one doesn't work. Think about this for a second. It has never been that easy to create content and to reach a lot of people. Do you know the metrics of YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and all of them? It's engagement. That means that if you create content that people love, you will reach a lot of people really fast, really quickly. When you see guys online that just explode, and from day one they're making like $1,000, then they explode, they're making like 10,000, 100,000 bucks. That's what happens. They explode because of the YouTube, the Instagram, the Facebook. So you create content around the thing that you love, and you create good content around that thing that you love, and you put that content online so you can reach a lot of people. That fucking easy. By the way, this is a heart, it's not an ass, it's a heart, alright? Now, how do you create that content? Simple. If it's YouTube, you make videos. If it's Facebook, you can make posts and videos. You just have to test it because they change a lot their algorithm. So someday it's only a link to somewhere else. Someday it's an organic video on the platform. Some days, other days it's only a big post. Like, you gotta figure it out with Facebook, but you can do videos and posts. In Instagram, it's mainly like the engagement that you will have with it. So if it's a video, great. If it's a photo, great as well, as long as you get a lot of engagement. So that's really simple. You just create content around stuff that you love. You can go with SEO, search engine optimization, meaning you create a blog. Now, it's gonna require more time because Google doesn't work like YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. With those platforms, you can go viral like this. With Google, you will have to produce lots of content for like a long time before you can hope to be registered on Google. So it's not a great alternative anymore. And when you start creating content, you will start to attract people to you, right? They will see you, they will try to contact you, all right? It will happen. Like maybe the first 100 subscribers, 100 followers, 100 whatever the fuck, 100 likes, you're not gonna have that many engagement, but after that, people will start emailing you, people will start contacting you, commenting on your videos and all that kind of stuff. And that's when it starts to be interesting to offer coaching. All right, so why coaching? And it's really important that it's coaching, okay? So the reason why we offer coaching is because we are not morons. We are smart people, all right? We offer coaching because we understand that we are who we are, all right? And we might share an interest with someone else, with another demographic, but we are not fucking psychic, all right? We are not fucking sociopath. We don't really know what is happening in other people's brains, right? Maybe you think that what's really interesting is that part, when everyone else thinks that that is the most interesting part. That is why we offer coaching. We offer coaching because we want to get to know people in our niche. We want to know how people react to our content. we want to know how we can help them more. And the best way to do that is to coach people. When you start coaching people, you will start to see the issue with that niche, but you will also start to see the issue with your own content that you're producing, right? So coaching will enable you to be even more precise, to be even more targeted on your little client right there. Man, that's not a stick. And the fact that we are more targeted on the client will enable us to make better offer. And when we do better offer, we can put a bigger price tag on it. So doing off coaching is not only to get money fast, but it's also to get to know people better, so you can offer better coaching, better services, and so in the end make more money. Now, if you only plan on getting in that niche and getting out, don't offer coaching. I think you should still do it because it will teach you so many things. But if you don't plan on staying in that niche, then you maybe don't go into that niche. Find a niche that you want to stay in, because let's be honest, right now the world is how it is. In 5 years it will be different. Internet will be different. Probably what happened with SEO will be happening to social media. So we'll have to find something else. Meaning, if you got the chance to start now, start fucking now and build a big audience. Build something that can last for years, alright? If you only build something like, it will do, and you will lose your income, right? So build something solid, and that goes by that you need fucking coaching, alright? So you can know people, you know what they need. And so when you're coaching them, you can start to ask questions about their biggest issues. And when you will find one issue in particular coming up again and again and again, you can start to create your own product. So how do you do that? It's so fucking simple, you have no fucking idea. Simple. You see an issue. You see one issue. And then you have the choice. Either you go take someone else's product, meaning you see that issue, you go to someone else, you knock on their door, meaning you send them an email or you send them a DM, whatever, you contact them, you knock on their door and you're like, hey, I want to find a product for that specific issue, and I think that your product is going to be great and I want to make you money. So I'd like to have a link for affiliation to your product so we can both help people and make money, right? So we can both make a living out of this shit. So he will give you the link. Like, no one will ever refuse to give you an affiliation link, all right? It's only positive shit for either one of you. So you get the link and then you show it to your audience. You just show the link. You're like, hey guys, I've seen that most people have that problem, and I think that to solve that problem, you need to do that. And to do that, the best way to go about this is to get that product. So here it is. Just take it while it's there. It's not gonna be there forever, whatever. You just sell it, right? And that's how you make money. That's how you can make money very fast, very easily, without having to create anything. But the best way to go about this is to create a product for many reasons. First, people like you for you, right? For your content. That I know that's it's like, what, people like you for you? What the fuck? But nowadays, there's so much content everywhere. People watch you because it's you, okay? They don't watch you because your content is so much better than everybody else. That's like, no, your content is not better. It's as bad as everyone else. But people like you. People watch it for you. I know it's kind of crazy, but we like people. We are humans. We like people. We are social. So when someone is looking at you, it's because they connect with you. And if they connect with you, they don't want very much to get a product, another product. They don't really like that. They want your product. But they will still buy the thing, your affiliate link, with your affiliate link, because they want to help you out and they trust you. So if they have an issue, you tell them that this is the solution. Most of them will trust you, right? But they still want your shit. They want your shit. And when you do your shit, you keep all of the money that you make. So that's great. Then you will sell more because it's yours. So people will buy it more. And then you get the self-confidence that you actually sold something. And something else, and it's just like a little glimpse right now, and don't think too much about this, but basically when someone buys, you have two things. You have the front end and then you have the back end. The front end is where you take your money back from advertising. So for people who don't do advertising, this is where most people will have their businesses, because they don't need to create a backend, which is fucking moronic, and you should do it, but whatever, most people don't. So you have the front end, meaning you have like 1 or 2 offices. So when you do an affiliation and you send someone to someone else's business, that person will most likely come in with the front end and then get in the back end. Meaning that if you sell for like $100, you both get $50, but that person that made the sale is probably gonna get more money in the long term than you, because they have this thing, front end, back end. So you want to keep clients with you, because when clients stay with you, you can have a front end and a back end. Super simple. Basically, front end is cheap office, back end is more expensive office for people who want to know more, right? For example, if you take internet marketing, a front end could be like a PDF at $49, then membership programs at $97, and then the back end could be like a program for $297, and then another one for $997. Most of the time, back ends are even more expensive than this. It can go to $5,000, $20,000 in the back end, but the front end is usually between $50 to $100. All right, so it's very inexpensive things that can pay for your ad. Now you've built your product, right? You've built your product. You're kind of happy with it. The first thing you need to do, and you have a choice right here. You can just sell it, and no need for testimonials and that kind of stuff. But if you're starting out, you probably don't know how to sell it right. So you have to put every chances on your side. And one of the best things that you can do to make sales is to have a bunch of testimonials. So what you could do is offer the product. You can offer the product to like 10 people, so that they can give you testimonials, so that they can give you their feedbacks on it. And now, just so we're clear, most people will give you crappy feedback. So you need to really tell them what to do. You need to tell them, so you need to tell me the 3 best things that you liked with that program and the 1 thing that you would like to improve. That's the most easy way to build something, right? Now, another thing that works well is to have a Facebook group to get testimonials. That's the easiest way to get feedback from that. So yeah, guys, test it, offer it to like 5 to 10 people, get the testimonials, get the feedback, improve your product. And the thing is, you might be like, yeah, but I don't want to lose the profit and all that kind of stuff. Well, you're just offering a product. You will create more products than just one. Guys, trust me, if you are starting out with a book, you will at some point create a video course about that same topic. Then you will create a book about something else and create a video course about that same stuff. So don't worry about losing money. You will never lose money. Offering shit is never bad, all right? The more you offer, the more you will get back. Trust me, guys. It's like karma, right? Karma is a bitch. Well, karma is actually cute as well. And if you do good things, it will get back to you, right? And even if it never gets back to you, you will have testimonials which will improve your conversion rate, meaning you will sell more shit because people already tried your shit, and it's more than likely will be good about that specific niche and that specific topic, right? And once you're done with this offering, with the testimonials and with the improving, you will launch it. Yeah, baby. You will launch the product. So to launch it, super simple. You just say it in your content. At the beginning of the video, you just tell them like, hey guys, I just finished this new product, this new course, this new ebook, and I want to give you a taste so you know what's coming. And if you want to get that taste, it's super simple. I want to send it to you in an email, right? Super simple, for free. You just have to give me your name and your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. The link to that is in the description of the video. So you have the link in your description. And when they click on it, they get on the landing page, squeeze page, whatever you want to call it, right? You just ask for their name and for their email address. Then they put it in, it's automatic, you don't have to do it by hand, and it's automatically sent them the email. Now, when they will read that email, you have a list of people who you know are interested in that specific topic, right? So all you need to do is just sell to the amount of people that subscribed to that specific taste, right, of your new product. And then it's all about selling. And I have a bunch of video about selling with your emails, right? I have a bunch of videos about launching with your social medias and emails as well. So I strongly suggest you subscribe to the YouTube channel and you hit the bell button. So maybe someday in the future I will make another video about how to launch a product, even though I've already made a bunch of them. And I will have probably the link to those videos either up there or in the description of the video. So guys, just check that out. It's super simple. You just need to write emails. And the thing is, the thing that's great with online marketing is that you don't need to create insanely great sales page, right? It's not about getting a great sales page. It's not about writing good stuff. It's about putting people in the right funnel, in the right space, right? It's not about what you say to a girl, it's about how you say it. Well, it's the same thing with sales. If you are pitching a great pitch, but there's no urgency, there's no structure behind your sale, you're not gonna make that much sales. But if you have a good structure with a deadline, with urgency, with bonuses, with whatever the fuck you need to get in there to make a good sale, you'll sell a bunch, guys. So it's not about having great sales skill, it's about being smart and putting in a good structure for your sale. So super simple, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. I hope the video was helpful to you guys. If that's the case, like the video, it really helps the channel out. And yeah, I like it. So, fucking retarded. Whatever, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. And go apply it, man. Go apply it. You can do it if you apply it. If you take action, you can do it. If you just sit there and watch videos, you'll never make it. Watching videos and educating yourself is super important, but nothing is going to change unless you take action. So go get it, guys. Go fucking get it, then come back to me, tell me how this video has helped you guys. That would be the best way to help me and to help you at the same time. So yeah, guys. Cheers.